साउंड इंजीनियर से माట్లాडू फर्स्ट सॉन्ग एंड हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे एंड हम बने तुम बने एक दूसरे के लिए आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू से परवलिए नल्ला पाड़ परवलिए नल्ला पाड़ okay. Good morning everybody in London today, everybody in Thailand, Symphony Orchestra. We are talking with the sound engineer and we are talking about the composition of 8 songs. Dilruba Root Jai To Main Kya Karu, 8 songs composition done. It will be again repeated on videos for the Thailand Symphony Orchestra. It is submitted to Mumbai High Court to discuss the previous revenue of Thailand, 510 crore or 520 crore to connect Kolkata banking. Then we can think about the fund flow and all the payments that is required in the music production to record 8 songs online with Thailand Symphony Orchestra. First, previous revenue of Thailand has to connect Kolkata Bank. Then we'll be again discussing about the compositions of 8 songs. The tunes will be changing and all 8 songs and story is submitted to 45 airlines companies all over globe. And today we are discussing few complicated issues on 1980 Ek Duje Ke Liye of Kamal Haasan and Rati Agnihotri, director K. Balachandar, music written and music recorded in Prasad, Chennai Saligramam studio with Balu, and Anand Bakshi wrote the lyrics. We are always discussing 1980 was a very turbulent time for Hindi film music industry where we avoid few complicated music composition. When you are going through world music, when you are going through the composition of 8 songs of Hindi films, then you have to touch many corners of past work of Hindi film music industry. It's industrial work, collaboration of many people, lyrics writer, music composer, thinking about calling Balu to sing all the songs. And this is the first song. When we go to the first song of Hum Tum Dono Jab Mil Jayenge, Ek Naya Itihas Banayenge, this song has come, in the lyrics has come because when we are saying we avoid this song, then from Chennai, they are saying first write down the lyrics and discuss in studio. And this is, today we are discussing the lyrics of Kamal Haasan and Rati Agnihotri. 1980 was a very difficult time of writing musical lyrics and composition. Going in this complicated way, today in 2025, after 25 years, we are discussing the composition. So how valuable it is for us to understand the composition of 8 songs. The lyrics going, हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे और अगर हम ना मिल पाए तो भी एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे. When it is going da 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 da, हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे और अगर हम ना मिल पाए तो भी एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट कमिंग, सालों महीने हार गए दिन बीत गया और जुदाई का लो एक दिन बीत गया. गिन 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 के ये दूरी के दिन यूं जीना मुश्किल है लेकिन. When you're counting the days and days after days, your survival is difficult to survive the love affair. It's a complicated line when you have this kind of line. When you're counting days after days, your survival in a love affair is difficult. The tune is difficult. सालों महीने हार गए. Da 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 da. गिन 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 के ये दिन, दूरी के दिन, यूं जीना मुश्किल है लेकिन हम फिर भी जी कर दिखलाएंगे, हम फिर भी जी कर दिखलाएंगे, एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे, हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे. The next line coming, दुनिया में कितने लोगों ने प्रेम किया, दुनिया में कितने लोगों ने प्रेम किया, दुनिया ने कितने प्रेमों का खून किया. Love affair is very common among many people. When people meeting, they are having love affair, but the world, but the cruel world is killing them. The tune is changing. दुनिया में कितने लोगों ने प्रेम किया. Da da di da 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 di da 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 da. Da 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 di da 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 di da 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 da. Da 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 di da 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 di da 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 di da. प्यासी तलवार नहीं रुकती क्यों इसकी प्यास नहीं बुझती. Da da di da di da 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 di da di da 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 di da. प्यासी तलवार नहीं रुकती क्यों इसकी प्यास नहीं बुझती. हम दुनिया की प्यास बुझाएंगे, हम दुनिया की प्यास बुझाएंगे, एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे, हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे. The next part coming, फिर ये दिल दिन रात तड़पता रहता है जब हमसे बेदर्द जमाना कहता है. Da da di di da 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 da. फिर ये दिल दिन रात तड़पता रहता है जब हमसे बेदर्द ज़माना कहता है. मिलना कोई जो ख्वाबों में, कितना है नाम किताबों में. मिलना है जो कोई ख्वाबों में, कितना है नाम किताबों में. There are many names in the books, but unity of love affair is a dream. Very difficult lyrics. Prasad Studio is one of the biggest Tamil film studio. They can write this kind of lyrics. They understand the tradition of Tamil film industry and Tamil filmmaking and music making. But this is one of the complicated thing. They are saying from Chennai, when you are a hero, then when your father has sung this song, then why you will avoid this song? Then I'm writing the song and I'm talking with my sound engineer. He is hearing me silently and he is telling me, this kind of song you have to sing. मिलना कोई जो ख्वाबों में, कितना है नाम किताबों में, हम उनमें क्यों नाम लिखाएंगे. मिलना कोई जो ख्वाबों में, कितना है नाम किताबों में, हम उनमें क्यों नाम लिखाएंगे, हम उनमें क्यों नाम लिखाएंगे, हम उनमें क्यों नाम लिखाएंगे, एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे, और अगर हम ना मिल पाए तो भी एक नया इतिहास बनाएंगे, हम तुम दोनों जब मिल जाएंगे. I avoid this song now. This is a very favorite song of mine. This is a favorite song of mine. When a love affair in trouble, that explanation. When love affair is a subject of ek duje ke liye, in the end of the film, both lovers are dying. Then it is a tragedy, and the tragedy has, when you are showing a tragedy in a love affair, then a sad song or a song in trouble of a love affair will become icon, will become a hit, become a very strong impact. But this is a song I avoid because this Arathara tune is then how beautiful composer is Lakshmikant Pyarelal in 1980 to give meaning, such a beautiful meaning. And I come to the song of Hum Bane Tum Bane Ek Duje Ke Liye. Sometimes it is getting played in all the radio channels. In the night when I am hearing DD Malayalam, somehow DD Kannada radio, in the night when I come to bedroom, I am hearing DD Kannada, DD Malayalam for up to 3 o'clock. Then somehow Ek Duje Ke Liye song coming in the Hindi songs program at the 12 o'clock in the night. Then I'm hearing Ek Duje Ke Liye, Balu singing the song of Hum Bane Tum Bane Ek Duje Ke Liye. Hum Bane Tum Bane Ek Duje Ke Liye. Hum Bane Tum Bane Ek Duje Ke Liye. This is a complicated song. This is a complicated, at the time, the style of writing this song to different lovers coming from two different languages. Kamal Haasan's character is so beautiful lover. He don't understand Hindi. He's a Tamil person and he's singing in English. I don't know what you say, but I want to dance and play. I want you in the name of love. I want to play the game of love. I want you in the name of love. Somehow this is the melody coming like this. Hum Bane Tum Bane Ek Duje Ke Liye. Da 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 da. Hum bane tum bane ek duje ke liye. Usko pasand lage jo bichhad ke ek pal bhi jiye. Hum bane tum bane ek duje ke liye. I don't know what you say. I don't know what you say. I don't know what you say. I don't know what you say, but I want to dance and play. But I want to dance and play. I want to play the game of love. I want you in the name of love. Hey, come here, ha ha. Not here, there, up in the sky. Come with me, I want to fly. Don't stop, let the whole world know. Don't stop, let the whole world know. Come fast, don't be slow. Life is fire, life is love. Woo! How beautifully he sang the song in 1980. Today we are also, even today we are hearing the song. How beautiful, jolly song on Kamal Haasan, and how beautifully he performed, and how complicated was the picturization in 1980. That's why we always remember 1980. It's a very difficult time of Hindi film, where Kamal Haasan was introduced in Hindi film by Prasad, and all the songs were hit. So we'll be coming back to the 8 songs of Dilruba Roots Jai To Main Kya Karu with Thailand Symphony Orchestra. We have already given them the notations and already the elementary, primary level of singing they have heard. We'll be entering studio to discuss the first song. But first, Thailand revenue of 520 crore has to connect with the Kolkata banking. Then we will be moving ahead. Have a good day, nice day. This video getting updated on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn and YouTube. Thank you, good day, goodbye. Have a nice day.